Arm Motorsports sent us a package today. Yes, sir. Shout out Arm Motorsports. But I'm gonna show you guys the package once I get off work. Yo, how's everyone doing? You solid? Good? You Gucci? Say that. I bet. So, I just got off work. The sponsor package got delivered. Can I get a yes, sir? So I'm on my way to the crib right now. I'm about to open it up once I get there. You know how that go. And yeah, man. Let's see what Arm Motorsports sent the guy. Appreciate them again. armmotorsports.com. Shout out the guys. Appreciate them for sponsoring me. Before I even open the package off rip, that's love. Alright guys, so we about to open up the box. We about to see if they sent. Sheesh. We got the Midpipe. Appreciate you guys, Arm Motorsports. Go check them out. If you need anything BMW, I think Volkswagen as well. Yeah, if you need anything Beamer, armmotorsports.com. Appreciate them for sending out Midpipe. I'll be back once I'm at the shop. So we on the way. We loading the car up. I was gonna install the Chargepipe, but it's raining and shit, so. All loaded up. Surprised everything fit. Like the Sonic holding it down though. Alright. So we made it to the exhaust shop. Let's see what's good. Alright guys, so we just left the exhaust shop. Appreciate them. So far, I don't know if it's because, damn, feels a lot smoother. And low-key, I don't know if you guys can hear that shit, but that shit is low-key loud now. Low-key. But yeah, I'll catch y'all when I'm at the crib. Peace. Alright guys, so we back outside. I'm about to change out my stock charge pipe for the Arm Motorsports charge pipe. So I'll be back once that's completed. I'm not really gonna film it. Alright, so we just got the charge pipe installed. It's looking pretty beefy, I'm not gonna lie. It was a bitch to get in. Took me like 2 hours to cut myself. But hey, we're gonna see if it was worth it. Fellow Beamer brother with me.
B58 boys, you already know.
But yeah, we gonna see how it's doing. You guys gonna hate me, but I'm so sorry. You gonna have to come back for the next video for the review. Review, POV drive, everything. Today was just installing, getting everything dialed in, right, all that. But yeah, man, here she is in her glory. Till next time, peace.
Bitch, my friend wanna buy me chrome. Sit back, feeling like a PIMP. I'm one nigga, give me hell. Walking big clothes like it's 20.